How to increase Roblox voice chat volume. If you are using Roblox and you can't hear the sound properly, then this is something you should try. On your laptop at the bottom right corner, click on the sound icon. After that, go to sound and click on more sound settings. You can even directly go to your settings and click on system, then go to sound. Now in the sound interface, here you will see the option volume. This will be under the section input and output. Adjust it according to your liking. Roblox uses your own device volume, so you can just manage it by adjusting your system volume. If you are inside the Roblox game, then pause the game. When you do that, then this kind of menu or dialog box will open. From the top, go to the option settings. From the left, go to volume. Now at the right, you will see different kind of volumes. Make sure to adjust it according to your liking. That's all for today. Thank you.